Hi BCM114, this is my project beta for my digital artifact KD Collective, which is found on Etsy, and the link is just below. So for the background of my DA, I decided to create an Etsy store in which I sell homemade earrings. I've always loved to create earrings that can both stand out and give an insight into the wearer's personality, as shown a little bit in the aesthetic starter pack here. I find that funky earrings found on Etsy are often expensive and or not available in Australia, so I decided to change that. I created a few simple but colourful designs using polymer clay, as shown on the right, and also some designs with buttons and beads, turning my passion for craft into a project I can profit off. I also drew some inspiration from the store Angels and Outcasts, which is just in the middle. They can be found on Instagram. Here is the prototype for my Etsy store. As you can see, it's called KD Collective AU, and those are the listings that I have up currently. On the right is just a larger version of a couple of those. Those are the ones with beads. There's only 4 clay earrings at the moment and 4 bead versions. My Etsy is also just linked down the bottom there in the left-hand corner. So for the process of my DA, I started out by making polymer clay and button earrings and putting them up on Etsy. In the left-hand corner are some of the first things that I put up. 2 of them have sold, the hearts and the buttons. To the right are the current statistics for the shop. Obviously it's gone down a lot due to me not actively promoting it since I put it up. Most of my views come from Twitter, where I've been sharing my link with my mostly BCM114 following, but I also have gained some views from Etsy searches, which shows me that it's worth taking the time to put specific tags for each pair of earrings to gain some views. So just in the bottom left hand corner there are the total sales that I've made so far, and 4 out of 5 of the sales have been the button or bead earrings. So based on this, I think it means that this style is more favoured by the customers, and I'll be putting more focus on the different types of bead and button styles that I can make. I also asked some other BCM114 students what they prefer, like which style, and so far the consensus has been that the favoured style is with the beads and the buttons. Another issue I had was with packaging. The clay heart earrings, which were luckily purchased by a friend, broke in the mail, which I immediately refunded for her. But I was previously wrapping the earrings up in multiple layers of tissue paper, which you can just see in the top right hand corner, which works really well for the bead and button earrings, but the clay earrings were just too fragile. So next time I ship some clay earrings, I'll opt for a much more protective style of packaging, which could be bubble wrap or just cardboard boxes and stuff like that. So my concept of making earrings did change based on the feedback from customers, as I was originally going to focus on clay designs. However, it seems that people prefer the aesthetic of the beads and buttons over the clay, so I'm going to focus more on that style for the rest of my DA. Thank you for listening. Please check out my Etsy store if you have the time.